The beauty of nature lies in its freshness, openness, slow breeze, and the warm sun. Relief for our brains. Nature is made up of everything. We see around us the trees, flowers, plants, animals, sky, mountains, forest, and more. We find many colors in nature which makes the earth more beautiful. As long as we have memories, yesterday remains. As long as we have hope, tomorrow waits. As long as we have love, today is beautiful. You don't need to be productive all the time. Some days it's good enough to simply exist. The planet does not need more successful people. Planet needs more peacemaker, healers, storyteller, and lovers of all kinds.